Today we're going to talk about Q Skills, Level 2 book, Reading and Writing, Unit 5, page 104, Writing Skill, and the topic is Unity in a Paragraph. Actually, a paragraph is a group of sentences about a single idea. Meaning a paragraph, there's a main idea, a topic sentence, right? And you have to write about this main idea or this topic sentence in the rest of the paragraph. The first line or the second line maybe can be maybe a topic sentence or a main idea. So in the rest of the paragraph you have to write about this specific topic sentence, and if all of your sentences are related to this main idea or TS, topic sentence, then we can say that this paragraph has a unity. For example, whatever you're writing, like supporting sentences or giving examples and more information and things like this, and all these sentences are strictly related to your main idea, then this paragraph has unity. So keep in mind that whenever you write a paragraph, of course you start your paragraph with TS, topic sentence or main idea, and in the rest of this paragraph you have to write sentences which are related to the main idea. As you can see here, so sentences should be directly related to the main idea. So directly related to the main idea. Support the main idea but not repeat it. So you cannot repeat the same idea again and again in the in the paragraph. Give new information or details that support the main idea. Not introduce an entirely new main idea that is different from the topic sentence. Meaning you cannot give. Meaning, for example, you're writing about cars, right? In a paragraph, and suddenly you start writing about airplanes. So this should not. You should not do this kind of transition from one idea to another. Right? So this means you're losing. You will lose the unity of a paragraph. Right? So that's why you have to keep your paragraph united. There's the sentences. And to keep this unity in between sentences also, right? Because first thing is really clear that unity is to write about the main idea. All the sentences should be related to the main idea. But how you write these sentences in a paragraph? For this, you can use these transition words to keep the sentences unified with one another. For example, if you want to add, you're writing one supporting sentence and you want to add another supporting sentence, you can use besides, finally, further, to, next, in addition, also, and first. To give an example, you can use for example, for instance, and to emphasize, you can use definitely, obviously, always, and certainly. So this is how you can keep your paragraph unified, right? So by using these transition words, this can help you connect one idea with one another, meaning one sentence with with one sentence with the other sentence, and this can help you out in this regard. All right, so next, if you take a look at this activity here, read the model paragraph, then answer the questions, right? Here, meaning you have to give the answers to these questions. You have to read this paragraph and you need to answer these questions. All right, so circle the topic sentence that has the main idea, right? So you know that where is the main idea? TS. Usually you find the main ideas or the TS where? Yes. So this is the main idea. Meaning we can circle it, but the thing is, this is really difficult to circle here for a moment. I try to do it, right? All right, that's good enough. I think you can see it, right? All right, you got your point, right? And next is, how many supporting sentences are there, right? So now we have to read and find out that how many sentences are there. Next sentence is, thanks to technology, some people can live far away from their offices and work from home, right? So this is one. Computers and the internet make it possible for individuals to telecommute, that is, to use the telephone and technology to get their work done without being in the office. It's two. In addition, and as you can see this here, the writer is using the technique of transition. So transition, he's using this word for the transition, right? Since most computers now have microphones and video cameras, it's easy to have a meeting even when people are far away from each other. All right, number three. So we have now three supporting sentences. Now if someone gets a new job, they may not have to move to a new city. Right? This is four. Alright, so this is four supporting sentences. So we have four supporting sentences here, right? And are all of the sentences in the paragraph about the same idea? Of course, that we have just read, all of them are strictly related to our main idea, this TS, right? And we have also used here a transition word here, right? Right. All right, so here, activity B here, and you have to read the model paragraph, circle the main idea, then cross out any unrelated sentences that don't have to support the main idea. So this is these two paragraphs, you have to do it yourself, right? Circle the main idea. What you need to do is to circle the main idea, then cross out any unrelated sentence that don't help support the main idea. So cross out. You need to cross out unrelated sentences. Right? So you need to read it and find out the circle the main idea, and then cross out all right. So this is all right. Here in this activity, activity C, you need to use the transition words from the box to complete the paragraph. For some sentences there's more than one correct transition word, right? So remember this, you need to use these transition words here, right, in this paragraph, and you can use more than one transition word in the blanks. So you need to use these from the box. And here you need to now, it's a kind of the same activity that we did, we just finished it, right? Read the model paragraph describing a plan for a new school, then answer the question. So what you need to do is to answer the questions. You need to read them, and you need to find out what is the main idea of the paragraph, how many transition words do you see, and circle them. You need to write and things like this. So that's how you have to complete this activity. And this activity, now what you need to do is to create your own ideas about it. So brainstorm ideas about a plan for a special school. What will the school be like? Who will the students be? What will you teach? It might be a school for language, photography and driving, or something else. So you need to think about it, and it's brainstorming. It's this is the map you have to create. It's a mind map, right? So you need to create a mind map using brainstorm, and okay, like this, right? So I hope that you've understood what is the unity in a paragraph. You need to complete all these activities, and still have a problem, you can ask teachers in the virtual class about the problems, so they can clarify you the problems. All right, thank you. Salaam alaikum.